Hey everybody, just want to let y'all know that I don't have my tripod for my iPad, so this whole start of the video is going to be shot on my GoPro. Sorry, bye! Damn, she is almost dead. That's no good. No. Oh, there you go. A little bit. That's magical. I literally only had the exact amount I needed to do what I needed to do. That's perfect. Thank you. What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is Modi Makes, and today I'm gonna be working on my first ever custom painted mirror. I've been really enjoying doing the YouTube stuff over the last year because it's got me working on all sorts of stuff I never would have worked on before, like the custom painted piggy bank right there, this mirror that I'm working on right now, you know, the skateboard, the large size canvases, the larger wood cutouts, and all sorts of stuff like that. And because of that, my art has been improving much faster than it ever did before that. And you know, I just gotta thank you guys for watching. It's just been a great time. So I unfortunately cannot take credit for making the mirror because I have absolutely no knowledge in metalworking and very, very minimal knowledge in glassworking. But I will take credit for making the mirror incredibly suave. But you guys won't know that until we get into it. So instead of me babbling on and whatnot, let's get into it, shall we? looky what we have here. All right, the painting, well, the mirror painting is finished. And you know, this was a really nice one to work on because a lot of the pieces that I've been working on recently have been kind of abstract conceptual pieces about, you know, just different situations that are going on in my life, whether it be mental health or different struggles or things like that. And I know I don't talk about it a lot in these, but this one was just kind of nice to make because I was just painting an alien, which I love to do, and it didn't really have any greater meaning beyond that. So it was just kind of nice to relax a little bit and get into that. That being said, after this video, I probably will go back to doing some more kind of normal canvas pieces and things like that, just because I have an art exhibition coming up in a little over a month now, and I need to make some bougie, higher class pieces for the home market. Things like this, even though I'm putting just as much work into it as anything else, and I'm sorry about that if you can hear that. Someone's outside messing around with a ladder. Anyways, even though I put the same amount of work into it and I use a similar style and everything that I would for even my canvas pieces and stuff, things like this can come across as a little knick-knacky or kitschy, which I don't necessarily agree with, but I've got to make a living. So I'll probably go back to making some more of those conceptual canvas pieces after this, and I'll try to go into kind of the process of why I create what I create a little bit more and just talk about the meanings behind the pieces a little bit more, just so you guys can get an idea of why I create the stuff that I create. Anyways, with all that out of the way, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like. That would be fantastic. If you guys like the channel, you like me, and you want to help support me, the best thing that you can do is to subscribe. I would really, really appreciate that. The channel is slowly growing, but slowly is the key word there. So anything you guys can do to help would be amazing. Anything you guys can do to get these videos recommended to more people would help me out a ton. I want to keep working on this, and I want to keep being able to put a ton of time into these videos, but you know, it's difficult when it's not necessarily a realistic source of income for me, and it takes up a lot of my time. So if you guys want me to stick around and want me to keep making these and want me to be able to keep putting the same amount of time into it, subscribe and like. And with all that out of the way, let's get into those final shots, shall we?
Thanks for watching.
You